Audioengine's HD4 next-gen speakers are here to transform your audio game. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into these audiophile-grade desktop champs. Crisp sound, Bluetooth 5.3, and wired versatility for your home office or vinyl setup? The HD4 Next Gen is turning heads. Want to know why? Stick around. Launch on May 1st, 2025, the Audioengine HD4 Next Gen builds on the 2021 HD4 with killer upgrades. These compact-powered speakers rock Bluetooth 5.3 with aptX adaptive for 24-bit high-res streaming, perfect for Spotify or Tidal. A new USB-C input replaces USB-A, making it easy to connect your phone, laptop, or turntable. Handcrafted in real walnut, satin black, or glossy piano white, they've got a 4-inch aramid fiber woofer and silk tweeter for rich, room-filling stereo sound. The HD4s are a connectivity dream. Go wireless with Bluetooth or wired with USB-C, RCA, or 3.5mm aux. Analog inputs stay active so you can hook up multiple devices, though Bluetooth takes priority over USB. A headphone amp delivers crystal clear, private listening, and a subwoofer output pairs with Audioengine's S6 or S8 for extra bass. No built-in phono preamp, so vinyl fans need an extra one. Setup's a breeze, no apps, no passwords. These speakers are ideal for home offices, small rooms, or audiophile setups. They deliver clear highs and solid mids, although bass isn't boomy. It's perfect for jazz, classical, or podcasts. They're a steal for the quality with a 120-watt output and 50Hz to 22 kHz range. No HDMI ARC limits TV use, but their desktop and streaming prowess shines. Expos are calling them a hi-fi steal for the price. The HD4 Next Gen blends style, sound, and versatility. But are they your vibe? If you want premium audio for work or music, they're a no-brainer. Try them yet or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your go-to speaker for home office tunes? That's the lowdown on Audioengine's HD4 Next Gen speakers. If you're hyped for this audio upgrade, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.